What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. For those that are going to work, thank you for putting in work for us while the rest of our family stay in safe. I hope you guys are not bored out of your mind, and I hope my content is bringing you guys some type of joy or some type of entertainment. Anyways, today is the day that I make my car a little bit louder. I'm going to remove the stock and performance exhaust that came with the car. It sounds decent for what it is, but it's a little bit too quiet for my preference, and I want it to sound a little bit raspy and to sound, make those little pops, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to remove the exhaust on my car, and we're gonna install a new one. I got a Megan Racing exhaust, and that's a universal. We're gonna go to the shop. They're gonna customize some piping to make it fit, since, like I said, it's a universal. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of clips of the before. Let me tell you guys, I already drove my car, so it is pretty warm. I'm going to show you guys a couple of clips of the before, and as soon as we get this done, I'm going to show you the after. As you guys can tell, on a comfort mode, it doesn't sound that much, but you can hear when I switch it over to sports mode. You guys can hear that pop. So it sounds a little bit louder because the valve open. So I want to make it a little bit more louder, just a slightly bit, not much. That's why I chose the Megan Racing exhaust. Just for the fact that it sounds pretty good. It's not gonna make it sound like if it was a muffler delete, and it's gonna give it a nice sound. Hopefully I'm not wrong on that. If it's too loud, then I'm gonna have a problem with the cops here in California. Well, hopefully I don't get popped for it, and I hope it's not that loud. But yeah, let me pick up the camera as soon as I get a phone call and we head over to the shop. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully you guys are excited too. She's out, boys. She is out. Everyone's excited.
In the blending.
Don't look at that light. Don't look at the light. I stop. Don't look at the. Not much of a difference, but that's it. Would you look at this? Damn. Look at this shit. Just look at this. Take a minute to admire this thing. You just finished a wrap. This is the first time I see that. This is a first. This is fucking wet. This is his, and this is his wife's. Goals, right? Goals. Well, boys, that's the cold start. Heading to work right now. Listen to this. You don't sound that loud, but it's just perfect. There it is, guys. What do you guys think of this crazy setup? It's not as crazy, it's not as crazy as loud, but it still makes that nice popping sound, what you guys call the burble now. Anyways, this is my setup. I have single exit with the Mega Racing muffler. Like I said, it's a universal muffler, so you can buy it anywhere. I bought mine for the low, so at the end of the day I end up spending $140 for the entire setup I did, even including that includes the welds, that includes the exhaust. But if you guys are looking to do something like this to your car, pretty much all you got to do is just go buy a universal muffler and buy a universal dual exit tips for, or if you want to do single like I did, you can do so as well. It's up to you. But at the end of the day, you're probably going to spend half of what a real exhaust system would cost you. Okay, somebody wants to be on the blog. Well, like I was saying, at the end of the day, you'll be spending half of what a real exhaust or the cheapest exhaust for an F30 would cost you. So if you guys have any questions, let me know on the comment section below, and I'll tell you guys what to get. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys onto the next one. But remember, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands, keep 6 feet away from people if you guys are gonna go to the store. I know I'm talking and I'm outside, but I'm outside my job. I really don't go out except yesterday. Well, yeah, when I did the install. But anyways, always stay safe, guys. Remember that. Stay with your loved ones. I hope my content brings you guys a little bit of joy, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you hit that bell notification so every time I upload a new video, you guys are the first one to watch it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively reach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissected me, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, full bitches and readily, rule rhythms and melodies, full bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time, soon as ending it while we living selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age, everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.